Welcome to Investor Web, your premium source for all things investment. Here, we delve deep into the world of financial opportunities, shedding light on a myriad of investment avenues, from the hustle and bustle of the stock market to the steady rhythm of bonds, from the intriguing world of cryptocurrencies to the age-old allure of precious metals. We cover it all. Our mission is to empower you with knowledge, to help you navigate the complex but rewarding world of investing with ease and confidence. Today, we embark on a journey into a world that has captivated mankind since the dawn of civilization, a world that glitters with the promise of wealth and stability. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of gold, a timeless asset with a rich history and immense value. Gold, a symbol of wealth and power throughout history. It's a statement that rings true from the ancient pharaohs of Egypt to the modern Wall Street tycoons. But why has gold held such a privileged position in our societies across time and space? Let's delve into history. Gold's story begins around 5,000 years ago. The first known use of gold was in ancient Egypt, where it was highly prized for its rarity and its beauty. It was used to decorate the tombs of the pharaohs and the temples of the gods. But gold was not just a pretty ornament, it was also a symbol of divine power and immortality. It was believed that the gods had skin of gold, and so the pharaohs, seen as gods on earth, were buried with an abundance of gold items to accompany them in the afterlife. From Egypt, gold's influence spread across the ancient world. The Greeks and Romans too used gold extensively in their civilizations. Gold coins became a universal currency, a common medium of exchange that transcended borders and cultures. Gold became the backbone of commerce, enabling trade and economic growth. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, gold continued to hold its sway. In the time of kings and queens, gold was an indication of wealth and status. It was used to finance wars, build empires, and stimulate economic activities. In the modern era, gold has maintained its position as a safe haven asset. During times of economic uncertainty, investors often turn to gold as a store of value. Its scarcity, durability, and universal appeal have made it a reliable hedge against inflation and currency fluctuations. So, from ancient tombs to modern trading floors, gold has been an integral part of human history. It has been a universal symbol of wealth, a catalyst for economic development, and a beacon of stability in turbulent times. Gold's historical significance, its use as a universal currency, and its role in shaping economies and civilizations has undoubtedly contributed to its high value today. The golden thread that weaves through our history is a testament to gold's enduring allure and value. And as we look to the future, it's clear that gold will continue to play a significant role in our global economy. Gold's historical significance has undoubtedly contributed to its high value today. Gold's value extends beyond its glittering surface. It's a sentiment that's been echoed throughout history, and for good reason. Gold has an intrinsic value that sets it apart from other metals. The intrinsic value of gold is derived from its unique physical properties. It's highly ductile, malleable, resistant to corrosion, and it's an excellent conductor of electricity. These properties make it invaluable in a variety of industries. In electronics, for instance, gold is used in connectors, switch and relay contacts, soldered joints, connecting wires and connection strips. In dentistry, gold alloys are used for fillings, crowns, bridges, and orthodontic appliances. And let's not forget its use in the aerospace industry, where every spacecraft built by NASA includes gold in some form. But gold's value isn't confined to its industrial uses. It's also been a long-standing safe haven asset. In times of economic downturns, political turmoil, or inflation, investors often turn to gold as a way to preserve their wealth. Gold is seen as a store of value, a hedge against uncertainty. It's something that retains its purchasing power over the long term, and in many instances even appreciates in value. That's why central banks around the world hold gold as part of their reserves. Gold's value is also tied to its scarcity. It's estimated that all the gold ever mined would fit into a cube, measuring just 21 meters on each side. This scarcity, coupled with the constant demand, contributes to its high price. And finally, gold's cultural and emotional value cannot be overlooked. From ancient civilizations to modern society, gold has been a symbol of wealth, power, and status. It's used in religious ceremonies, weddings, and as a gift to commemorate special occasions. Gold's value, therefore, is not just about its rarity or beauty, it's about its versatility and resilience. It's a testament to its enduring appeal that despite advances in technology and shifts in the global economy, gold continues to hold a place of prominence. It's more than just a shiny metal. It's a tangible asset with a proven track record of standing the test of time. So, why exactly is gold so expensive? Dive into the heart of this question, and you'll find yourself entangled in a web of economics, geology, and human fascination. It's a complex story spanning millennia, and it starts with a simple fact: gold is rare. In the vast expanse of the Earth's crust, gold is found in only about 5 parts per billion. That's like finding one single gold coin in a bucket of over 200 million coins. Now, consider this: not only is gold rare, but it's also challenging to extract. Mining is a costly, labor-intensive process requiring sophisticated technology and significant human effort. Picture teams of miners delving deep into the earth, sifting through tons of rock and soil, all in the hopes of finding just a few grams of this precious metal. And then there's the refining process, which involves purifying the raw gold to remove impurities and achieve that iconic bright yellow hue. This process requires further investment in technology, labor, and time, but scarcity and mining costs alone don't account for gold's high price. There's another key player in this story: demand. And to understand demand, we need to understand gold's unique properties and its role in our society. Firstly, gold is incredibly durable. It doesn't corrode or tarnish, and it's highly resistant to most acids. This makes it ideal for a wide range of applications, from jewelry to electronics to dentistry. Plus, it's easy to work with. Gold is one of the most malleable and ductile metals known to man, meaning it can be shaped into intricate designs or drawn out into thin wires. Secondly, gold carries significant cultural and symbolic weight. From ancient civilizations to modern societies, gold has been revered as a symbol of wealth, power, and divinity. It's used in religious rituals, bestowed as a gift, and hoarded as a form of wealth preservation. Moreover, in times of economic uncertainty, investors often turn to gold as a safe haven. When stock markets are volatile or when inflation is high, the demand for gold tends to rise. This is because gold is seen as a stable store of value that can help protect against the erosion of wealth. Lastly, let's not forget the role of speculation. Like any commodity, the price of gold is influenced by traders who buy and sell based on their expectations of future price movements. When traders anticipate a rise in the price of gold, they buy, which pushes the price up even further. So when you consider the rarity of gold, the cost of mining and refining, the wide range of applications, the cultural significance, the role as a safe haven, and the influence of speculation, it's easy to see why gold commands such a high price. From extraction to market, the journey of gold justifies its hefty price tag. Gold, a timeless asset with an interesting story. As we've journeyed through history and economics, we've uncovered the reasons why gold carries such a hefty price tag. Its enduring allure stems from its historical significance, its inherent value, and the complex factors that contribute to its high cost. From the ancient Egyptians to the modern investor, gold has continued to hold a unique place in our hearts and our economies. Its rarity and the labor-intensive processes involved in its extraction have made it a symbol of wealth and power for millennia. As we've seen, the allure of gold isn't just about its gleaming appearance, but also its practical applications and its role as a store of value. Gold's monetary value is not just about its physical attributes, but also its role in our economies. It's a hedge against inflation, a safe haven in times of economic uncertainty, and a diversification tool for investors. The demand for gold, whether for jewelry, industrial use, or by central banks and investors, directly influences its price. And let's not forget the costs involved in mining, refining, and transporting it, which also add to its price. Understanding the value of assets like gold is crucial in making informed investment decisions. As investors, we shouldn't just look at the price tag of an asset, but also understand the factors that contribute to its price. This knowledge can help us make more strategic investment decisions and potentially yield greater returns. In conclusion, gold is expensive due to its rarity, its historical significance, its practical uses, and the costs involved in its extraction and refinement. It's a complex blend of factors that make gold the precious metal that it is today. Thank you for joining us on this gold exploration. Don't forget to subscribe to InvestorWeb for more insightful investment content. Until next time, invest wisely.